In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customized layout on Robinhood Legend. If you're looking to personalize your trading dashboard and make it more efficient for your needs, you're in the right place. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of creating a layout that's tailored to your preferences on Robinhood Legend. First, let's start by heading over to the Robinhood website. Simply open your web browser and type in robinhood.com, or follow the direct link if you have it ready. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your account credentials to proceed. Remember to keep your login information secure. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Robinhood homepage. From here, you should navigate towards Robinhood Legend. For this, click on the Robinhood Legend link, which directs you to the section where you can start customizing your layout. This area is designed specifically to allow users to adjust how information is displayed according to their individual trading style and preferences. Once you're in Robinhood Legend, it's time to kick off the customization process by selecting a template. Look for the option that says Start from Template and click on it. Starting with a template is incredibly helpful, as it provides you with a preset design that you can modify further, making the entire customization process much smoother and less time-consuming. This step ensures that you don't have to start from scratch and allows you to take advantage of an already organized structure that can be easily tailored to your liking. Remember, the goal here is to end up with a layout that makes monitoring your trades easy and intuitive. As you adjust the template, consider the types of information you look at most often, such as stock performance, market news, or your portfolio's status, and make sure those elements are front and center. Place frequently used features or information in prominent spots so that accessing them becomes second nature. As you work on customizing your layout, take advantage of any additional tools or features offered within the Legend section. These can further enhance the functionality and efficiency of your trading environment. By following these steps, you should now have a neatly organized and personalized layout on Robinhood Legend that caters to your specific trading habits and needs. Not only does this enhance your trading experience, but it also helps improve your workflow and efficiency. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create a customized layout on Robinhood Legend. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful, and you're all set to enhance your trading experience with your new customized setup. Happy trading!